Good afternoon. I'd like to welcome you to CNFT's trade recap for Treasury notes for May 21st, 2014. We make these recommendations at 6:45 a.m. Central. It's before the market opens. You have plenty of time to act. We started off wanting to sell 31s to 03 at about 5 o'clock in the morning. We subsequently lowered that to 27 to 31. On the buy side, we started off wanting to buy 20 to 24s, but we had circled the number that we really wanted to buy as 21, and we subsequently lowered that to 17 to 21. As the day progressed, we were dealing with a B pattern, so we like the short side of the market first. We get our move out of the middle right here, and the first move was down to 22.5. Subsequent to that, we got up to 25.5, so the sell zone dropped even further. We talked about 25 or better was the sell for the rest of the day, and we were hoping to buy 17s to 21, and we end up with a low of 18. So very, very quiet trading, not a heck of a lot to work with when you get right down to it. Volatility was nil, and that doesn't give you a lot to operate with. And as we pulled our buy and sell zones in, the volatility got even worse. So not really a very, very productive day for trading the T-note. When you get right down to it, it was tough. Okay, right off the bat, we had, right before the day session opened, we had our retest failure set up right here. You could have been short at 27 to 28, depending on how you took that trade. We do trade before the day session opens, although there is better liquidity after that, and the first move was down to 22.5. We expect to make 2 to 3 seconds on every trade that we enter into the note, and on this particular case, 27 down to 23 would have gotten you 4 30-seconds. 28 down to 23 would have gotten you 5 30-seconds. The next trade that sets up right here is a setback trade. You would have been short at 25, and the market trades down to 22.5. So worst case scenario, you would have made 2 30-seconds from 25 down to 23, and best case scenario, you would have made 5 30-seconds from 28 down to 23. We still like the short side of the market. Here's another retest failure. In this case, you would be short at 24 when you took out this bar's low, or at 50% retracement at the white line, and the market trades down to 21. So you have a shot at 2 30-seconds to 2.5 30-seconds on that particular trade. Another retest failure right here that doesn't go anywhere. We still like the short side of the market because we're getting lower highs. The market is just moving. We don't have a reason to be a buyer yet. And this market stopped at 20.5, so you would have been short in the 23 area for another 2-point trade. So on the low side of all this, you would have picked up 6 30-seconds. On the high side, you would have gotten 9.5. So the trades were there. You could have made your business plan pretty easily, but it was tough. It was a tough slog. The trading was pretty much as expected, but the market was very, very quiet. If you'd like more information about CN Futures Trading, please contact us at www.cnfuturestrading.com. At our site, you'll find more information on our software, our educational programs, and our specific trading methodologies for the different markets that we cover. Please contact us at info@cnfuturestrading.com, or you may call us directly at 312-361-3895. Looking forward to seeing you in the room, and in the meantime, good trading.